Welcome to the Michigan Pour. I'm Brent Lenz.
I'm Dan Burrows.
And as we continue our cocktail series, because Dan got bored and decided to make a bunch of cocktail recipes, we're going to go through a couple of these. And today we're doing the Grandville Blueberry Push. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm reading the wrong one, aren't I?
No,
oh, that is right?
Pop.
Sorry. Okay. It's the Grandville Blueberry Push Pop Slush.
So the base is Michigan Moonshine Blueberry. Real deal. Blueberry flavor. Gets even brighter when frozen.
Yeah.
So open that up.
All right.
Go heavy 2 ounces.
Heavy 2. Alrighty.
Hey, go.
And we're ish, as usual.
Go 4.
Go 4?
This one will double.
Okay.
Just because it's going to be frozen. Whew. I forgot how blueberry that is.
That is one really good blueberry moonshine.
And it calls for a cup of fresh blueberries.
Or Dan's hand.
Fresh. Fresh or frozen.
Mm-hmm. Frozen probably be good.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have as much ice.
All right. Let's do... And the instructions, dump everything into a blender.
Yeah.
So then we go... Let's go an ounce of lemon juice. So these recipes are...
This thing is such a... Squirts everywhere.
Yeah, so these recipes are all for individual drinks.
Can't see. Almost there. This thing is... You need to put more holes in it or something.
I'll grab the other one.
No, it's okay. Almost done.
That's why you didn't grab... That's why we had the other one.
Oh, is that why we had that other one? All right, we're good. We're good.
Then a half ounce
of honey.
Honey.
Probably just eye that.
Yeah.
He's going heavy on the honey.
I like honey.
Me too.
I think that's it.
That's it?
Oh, ice.
How much? A little bit?
No, keep going.
That's probably,
We gotta make it slushy.
All right, there you go.
All right, let's see what this little blender thing can do.
Wow, that's actually pretty impressive. Maybe more ice? That's pretty impressive for that little thing. Probably needs more ice, though, you think?
Do we?
Yeah, we'll see. It doesn't look very slushy.
It's not very slushy, but...
It's fine. For flavor. We're just going for flavor right now.
Put the rest of it.
More ice in there. All right.
That's not going to do
much. Yeah, put a lot of ice in, guys.
Yeah.
We underestimated on that.
Nice chunk.
Yep. Where'd you get this thing?
Yeah, so if you're in the market for a portable cordless blender, FitRx, it was $39 at Walmart.
Okay.
It's not where you would think it would be, though. It's located in the sporting goods department.
No, okay.
By the water bottles.
No, I guess that kind of makes sense. Andrew, my son, makes shakes all the time for his fitness stuff. But I'm pretty impressed with that.
One ice cube was bugging me.
Yeah. All right. That smells amazing.
Ooh.
Yep. That's your summer drink right there.
Mm-hmm. That on a boat.
By the fire.
Well, you can take it on the boat. You got a portable blender.
Yeah, that's true. You can make it on the boat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, boat cocktail videos.
Boat cocktail videos.
That is good. That's refreshing.
That's very, very good.
Halfway through, I thought, I think I put too much honey in it.
No. I was going to go easy, and I want to finish this. Because we've been filming a little bit.
That is good, though.
I got to be careful. But I would definitely want to finish this. This is fantastic.
So I would say maybe a little bit more. Ooh.
More ice.
Ooh. Ice cream.
Yeah, put some ice cream in that. I was thinking you could put
Hudsonville.
Mix this in the slushy maker.
Ooh.
And that would be good too.
Hudsonville ice cream makes a blueberry cobbler. Ice cream.
Yeah.
Throw a scoop of that in there and blend it.
That'd be good.
Instead of the ice.
Yeah. That'd be a beautiful blueberry shake.
That would be a dessert.
Yep. That's good. All right, we got another winner.
Yeah. So thumbs up. I'm debating what to do with these recipes.
Well, are we gonna put them online, right? We put them.
Well, the videos will be online.
No, right.
But I think I might make it available for viewing.
Yeah.
Or we might just make a cocktail book.
Yeah, that'd be fun. Why not?
We'll see.
Yeah.
But from us, so Michigan Moonshine, Blueberry Shine. Right there, downtown Grandville. We love Jay. Love everyone there.
Oh, yeah. Fantastic group.
We'll be doing more with them. Great products, great cocktails.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. We have a few more featuring some Michigan Moonshine products. I think we have three or four more, three more cocktails.
Those are really good.
So let's see if the rest are bangers.
Yep.
As always, guys.
Happy pours.